Hello everybody. We have a back patio Indiana limestone that we did some reparation on it. Today we're gonna power wash it, and the sealer's arriving today, and then hopefully if it's nice weather and it dries, then we can seal it. There was a fire pit. The owner, she wanna put new one. We're gonna move all the furniture somewhere, not on the grass. And all the table, so we can seal the whole patio. So we gotta figure out where to set all this stuff and then put it back later. We did also some reparation on the granite. Like these joints, they were broken, and we filled and polished them. Okay, this is the patio. It's all Indiana limestone pieces. It's pretty good size. So it's pretty big chip right there. We also applied new caulking along the house and the patio. That's good and sealed.
sealer is finally arriving.
Yeah.
Hi.
I think it's just a pail or something, isn't it?
I ordered a sealer,
I think that's what it is.
like 5 gallon.
Yeah, there it is.
Yep.
That's easy.
Do I need to sign something
Yes,
or?
sir. It was on a pallet. I cut it off the pallet, otherwise I wasn't be able to get
Okay,
it to fit.
that's fine.
So, yeah, I'll have you sign something.
Okay.
What's your first name again?
Eldon.
Eldon?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thanks. Need a roller. For the sealer, we want to use 3/8 roller. 3/8 roller right there. Not thicker than that. I'm looking for the stick. Can't find it here. They're over here, different aisle. Look at that. That's what we need. Okay, so we got 3/8, 6 rollers. We got these ones. We got the little ones for the razors, and then 2 sticks, and then those 2. Now let's go to the register and pay. Now we got everything what we need. Now going back to the job site, start apply the sealer.
City Masonry, built to last, built with pride. Hey!
we're also gonna power wash the stone pavers. Okay, this is the entryway we power washed. Looks much, much better. Big difference. This is another part, side of the house. And this one looks also much, much better. Amazing. Okay, let's check how the patio turned out. This looks nice. Like new. Now we're gonna check the patio. All dried out, sealed, caulking finished. Granite fixed. There was cracks right on this seam. All nice and protected. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.